Yo, what's up? I'm Billy, and this video covers cell structure and the main organelles and their functions. This is the cytoplasm. This is the jelly-like fluid that fills a cell. It is present within the cell membrane and contains the organelles and the cell parts. It is made up of mostly water and salt. The cytoskeleton is a series of intercellular proteins that help a cell with shape, support, and movement. The cytoskeleton has three main structural components: the microfilaments, the intermediate filaments, and the microtubules. Mitochondria. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. This is where all the ATP is produced. ATP is the main source of energy for the cell. ATP plays a key role in endo and exocytosis, which is the entrance and exit of macromolecules in the cell. And ATP can be thought of as the energy currency of the cell.
Ribosomes are the organelles that help manufacture proteins. Ribosomes have two components, RNA and protein. The ribosomes are not bound by a membrane. The site of ribosome production is called the nucleolus. Cells have different ribosomes that produce different proteins. They are either used by the cell or moved out of the cell. Lysosomes are the membrane-enclosed organelles that contain enzymes that break down all biological polymers, and they are the cleaning units in the cell.
The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membrane tubules within the cytoplasm of a eukaryotic cell, which is continuous with the nucleus. Ribosomes are usually attached and are involved in protein and lipid synthesis. The endoplasmic reticulum serves many general functions, including the folding of protein molecules in sacs and the transport of synthesized proteins in vesicles to the Golgi apparatus. The endoplasmic reticulum has a rough ER and a smooth ER. The rough ER is studded with ribosomes. The smooth is associated with the production of fats, which makes it smooth because the ribosomes cannot stick due to the slippery fats. This is the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus plays a key role in modifying, sorting, and packaging macromolecules for use within the cell. The Golgi apparatus also is key in modifying proteins that are delivered from the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The Golgi apparatus is also involved in the transport of lipids around the cell and the creation of lysosomes. The nucleus is a dense organelle present in most eukaryotic cells, typically a single rounded structure bounded by a double membrane, which contains the genetic material known as DNA. It is thought of as the brain of a cell.
The vacuole is like a storage bubble for the cell. They are found in both animal and plant cells, but the vacuole in the plant cell is much larger than the vacuole that is in the animal cell. Vacuoles can store food and nutrients for the cell that they need to survive. Another feature that the vacuole has is that it can store waste, which protects the rest of the cell from contamination.
The plasma membrane separates the interior of the cell from the surrounding environment. The most important feature of the plasma membrane is that it is selective permeable to ions and organic molecules. It also controls which substances enter and exit the cell. Selective permeability means that it allows certain molecules or ions to pass through it by diffusion. is that it is selective. It is selective.
It plays a key role in the endocytosis and exocytosis for energy. And
Wipe those hands off.
energy of the cell. And I forgot what I was about to say. So, currency of the cell. Why are you smiling, dude? ATP plays a main role in endocytosis and exocytosis. I can't. Why can't I say that? Yo, what's up? I messed up. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Connor.
And I'm Billy.
And I'm Madeline.
This isn't Louis. So you should say cover cell structure.
This video will cover the main. Hi, I'm Connor. Wait, I was just kidding.
I said ready. Oh my god.
It's about cell structure. Hi, Billy.
You went. You go. What?
And that includes blow.
And the production